Sun's up, good morning, and it's a nice little spot, but I don't like how there's so much grass around. Everything's like in the bush and wet in the morning. Packed up and ready to go. Let's move to the next spot. Let's go find a place to eat breakfast. I got some leftovers from last night, and then I'm gonna head over to the hostel in Kanchanaburi. I don't know why. Yesterday I took a way into the bush through all that like grass, whereas like I could have just cut through here. The camping spot was like maybe five meters in, but anyway, they're already out. Oh shit. Time for a quick little meal. Leftovers from last night at a 7-Eleven at the gas station. Back at a sleep hostel.
Yes.
With my friend Marisol. Simple meal, bread and mackerel in a can. The rain's coming.
Oh, we should deal with the laundry. Not the best for
walking. Taking a bike to the bike shop for a friend. And this bike is so uncomfortable to drive. The bike shop is closed, so I just brought the bike back. Probably try again tomorrow. Dinner. What the fuck? He's got another fucking bottle. Thanks.
You just need to order about a $1 bottle of wine.
Got some kolam. 40 baht for 2 sticks. Another stick over there.
So that burns it all, so that's out now. Thank God. And it's my go.
Right now, I'm on a mountain somewhere near the city, Kanchanaburi, but not actually sure where. But it's nice here. Now it's the daytime, morning. I set my tent up all the way over there, but I'm pretty sure last night I set up somewhere around here and I carried it over. So, but like when I set it up, I was using my trowel, my hoe, whatever, one that I carry around with me to dig holes. Now I've lost it because it looks like all the wood and shrub here. So I'm trying to find it right now. Oh, look at this millipede. She's a big one. Oh, I've been searching for so long. Finally found it. This thing. It was all the way over there where I set up my tent first. And last night I just carried my tent further and further in because I don't know, the ground wasn't so good. Found a nice spot here. I left a whole bunch of stuff, like half my stuff at the hostel, so gotta go back and grab my shit. It's actually really nice without the box. It's a lot lighter. Left the hostel. It's way too easy to stay there and just chill. And now it's raining. It's raining and it's windy. And just before I was driving real slow, probably about 40 k's an hour, and the wind's like blowing, hitting me on the side. Almost fell over. Just the gust of wind. This catches the wind well. But yeah, fuck, gotta take it easy. I went to the market. The music's really loud. It's on the other side. You can still hear it. Clear as. Got some fish, 40 baht, and some pickled vegetables. Pretty expensive. 20 baht for that. Come to my first camping spot again with Christina. Looks like some fresh tracks. Not sure if they're mine or someone else's. And it's starting to drizzle as well, so it's going to be fun. Marinating fish in cumin, salt, and turmeric. Fish is there somewhere. There it is. Barbecued. Almost looks like a burnt piece of wood.